Super Goku back here with another video, and today I'm going to be playing Roblox. Don't press the button. I forgot what. Oh, spam one. Yeah, click the button as many times as you can to spam. Yeah, right. I'm going to do the proper introduction today, right now. So, hi, it's me, Super Golfer again, and oh, the platform, oh, easy. Oh, I just made it, literally. Oh, look at that. I'm not, wait, what the? Uh-oh. Now that's a victory royale.
Now that's a victory royale.
Now that's a victory royale. What happens if you go in? Just, oh my gosh, you get giant. Your head gets giant. Oh gosh. Is it meant to source back down? Yeah. Ooh, victory royale again.
Now that's a victory royale.
Now that's a victory royale. Ooh, the button disappeared. I know where it is. What? I think I know where it is. Somewhere on one of the edges. Right, I'm making my way back to the normal button. I'm gonna click it. I clicked it! Uh-oh. This one's crazy. Oops. I was just getting a bit too distracted in that big head. I love the music on this one. Oh, so now, oh. I just have to, there's no way I, damn. Last time I just survived, but I just didn't survive. I hate when that happens, you know, like, it makes it, you actually survive, but it just says, oh no, you didn't survive. Ooh, blue platform, easy. Ooh, oh, I died on the spot. I might be at this game or not. Slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, 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 clap, clap, clap.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana.
It's a banana. It's a banana. It's a banana. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana. It's a banana. Yes, I love this one. Real supersonic. What? I'm going to run it faster with the speed coil. Looks so fast. Ooh! Belly double difference. Somehow I did. Click. Oh, I love this one. Or I moved the wrong way. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana. I like that one. It's funny.
Now that's a victory royale.
I just wanted my brother Luca to hear that.
G'day guys, Dude Gaming.
Oh! Oh, how did I survive that? How did I survive that? How did I survive that? I remember when I didn't know what this was, the first time I played Don't Press the Button, I just stood still and didn't even know what the ground was underneath me and I jumped. Yes, thank you. Gosh, thanks. It's a button enough! Bonus are coming. I'm running towards the bonus. Oh, that's 5 minutes, guys. So, see you all next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out my how to use YouTube video. It's pretty simple, but...
Hey guys, and Marco, aren't you gonna tell them why you're leaving?
Well, I'm leaving to play the survival series that my brother is hosting, and he is doing a YouTube video. So, see ya!
Thank you. Go visit that, guys.
Don't. Bye.